The stretch with the bar on the Spine Corrector. Sit on the step of your Spine Corrector, holding your bar with your arms shoulder distance apart. Reach your legs long and together as you lie back with your sacrum supported on the step and your spine extended over the barrel. As you lie down, you'll want to scoot your hips forward a little bit so your tailbone comes off the edge of the lip. Inhale your arms to the ceiling and then pause. Exhale, reaching them back towards your ears. Inhale, come back up and exhale towards your hips. Inhale on the up, exhale going back. Inhale on the up and exhale down. Continue that way for about 3 to 5 sets. When finished, you'll set the bar down next to you and keep your head relaxed on the barrel. You always want to use your hands to lift your head up when it's been relaxed over a barrel in this position.